Hello darlings, in today's video I am showing you the May subscription box. As you can see, it says hello darling. And this theme is peach, so the box is a very light peach color that has a range of other pretty pastel colors, and also sage. And so when you get the box, this is the front of it, and then it says also on the side, it says, excuse me, hello darling, and this is volume 31. And I will be showing them the mystery item, but I will give you a chance to click out before I reveal it. So I'm going to put this box aside. This is the pouch that has the washi tape, and since I have the washi tape laying on it, I will show that last. But the pouch does say Simply Gilded, and it has the pretty floral design with the peach on it. When you get your subscription box, it comes with this pretty velvet bow with the lobster clasp on it. It has this plastic flower that's iridescent. I'm going to pick it up so you can see it closer. And then it has this leaf on there. And I'm not sure why my camera is not autofocusing, but as you can see, the leaf and the flower on there. I guess it's focused on this card. And this is the card that is sitting behind the bow, and it is just so pretty, and it has the gold foil on it, and mine's got banged up a little bit in transit. The only thing I didn't like was my box got a little bit banged up in transit, but it's okay. I repurposed my box. If you checked out my other video where I had the April subscription, and it's called First Class, then that box did come a little bit banged up too. But you know what? It's interesting because this month the packaging is silver, where I got the last packaging was in gold. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Here is the pouch, the sticker pouch, or the sticker booklet with gold hardware. It has a scallop pocket here. And then it has a place where you can store your stickers. And this is a lot smaller than the one that I received last month. It has Simply Gilded in the back here. Super cute with the heart. And then this is where you can attach a charm, which I'll be attaching the bow charm to it. Then you have your B6 booklet, and it is dot grid. And here is the back of it. It says Simply Gilded, and it's stitched. Then it comes with acetate, and the acetate was folded backwards, but I decided to fold it the correct way so you can see the beauty of the gold bows and the pretty pink hearts on there. And then this is the vellum sheet that has the pretty floral on it. Very, very pretty, and is folded. It comes with the beautiful signature pen that says Simply Gilded on there. It's white with the pretty flowers that goes with the theme perfectly. And then it has the bow at the top of the pen. And it's also gold hardware. And this is a gel pen. It comes with this beautiful journaling card that has gold foil on there. Sorry about that. That has gold foil on there. Sunny days ahead. And then the beautiful stickers. The icon stickers with the heart. Then it has your beautiful boxes. And the cute list hearts. This also has the numbers on there. And icon stickers. And these are also hearts too. Then you have the beautiful bows. I'm excited about this because I've seen the bows before in certain subscription boxes and I thought they were absolutely beautiful. So I'm glad that she included the bows for this month. And then here is your days of the week. And more icon stickers, list stickers. And then you have your meeting and laundry day. Very, very beautiful. That's so pretty with the bow. And here's another sticker sheet. And I love the cursive font on there. Very, very pretty. And lastly, I am going to show the washi tape before I reveal you the mystery item. Here are the pretty washi tapes that come in here. Here's one with the bow and the florals. This is the smaller size. Here are the days of the week in gold with the white hearts on the sage color washi. Here is the floral, and it does have the glitter on there. You can't quite see it on the camera, but it has glitter on there. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. Here is the perforated tape. Gold with the white bows on there, and then you have the peach right here with the gold bow and line. So beautiful. And here you have the beautiful bigger size with the floral and the bows on there. So here they all are. And once, so beautiful. And now, dun, 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 if you don't want to see the mystery item, I thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And I am going to allow you to now take the time out to click out. And here comes the mystery item. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The mystery item is a beautiful scallop pocket with her bow on there, and it's like a cream color. This is absolutely beautiful. Yes, and so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but here it is. Now, the only thing that I am missing, and I just emailed her, the only thing I'm missing is that card that tells you everything that comes in this month's box. And so I emailed her, and I will do another video and let you know what she said, and then hopefully we'll see what goes on from there. So the only two things I would say is my box is banged up, and then I am missing my card. And I did tell her that I want my card for this month's box. So we'll see. Once I put everything together, then I would do another video and show you how I used the things in here, and also the notebook. I don't see much people using this book here. I don't know, I guess they don't know what to do with it. I like the fact that the dot grid, because you can do layouts, and I've shown that in another video with their first class. So maybe I'll do some more layouts in here for I don't know, the month of June, I guess, because May's already gone, so who knows? This COVID-19 has things a little bit behind, but nevertheless, I'm thankful that I got my box, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. God bless.